In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download in Soundtrap. By the end, you'll know exactly how to export your finished track to your computer in a format that works for your needs. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Soundtrap website. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Login button, usually at the top right. Click it. On the login screen, choose Login with Google, then select the Google account you used for Soundtrap. If you see a quick permission screen, confirm it so you can continue. After a moment, you'll land inside your workspace. From here, go to Projects. This is where all your songs and sessions are listed. Find the project you want to download. If you have a lot of files, take a second to scan the titles or use search to locate the right one. When you see it, look for the three dots next to the project name. That opens the More Options menu. Click those dots to reveal additional actions. Choose Export. This tells Soundtrap to create a mixdown of your song, combining all tracks, effects, and automation into a single audio file. It's a great idea to do a quick check beforehand. Make sure your latest changes have saved, your master level isn't clipping, and you're happy with the overall balance. Soundtrap typically autosaves, but giving it a second to finish never hurts. When the export options appear, select MP3 audio file. MP3 is the most universally compatible format and keeps file sizes small, which is perfect for sharing, emailing, or uploading. If you need maximum quality for further mixing or mastering in another program, you can instead choose Wavy, which is lossless and larger. There's also OGG, an efficient open format that some platforms support well. Pick the one that fits your situation. For most people, MP3 is the right choice. After you click MP3, Soundtrap will render your track. You might see a brief progress indicator. Once it's ready, your browser will either start the download automatically or prompt you to choose a destination. Save the file to a folder you'll remember and consider renaming it clearly, like including the song title and a version number. When the download finishes, play it back on your device to confirm it sounds the way you expect. That's all there is to it. Log in, open projects, use the three-dot menu on your song, export, and pick MP3. With this workflow, you can quickly share your music, add it to videos, or upload it to your favorite platforms. Happy producing, and enjoy your freshly exported track.